This is a 2-bed 2-bath located in the Brookline Apartments at 49 Brookline Drive. Starting at the entrance, there is a double-door closet on the immediate right. Throughout the suite, there is luxury vinyl plank wood flooring and light neutral tone walls. Left of the entrance is a spacious walk-in closet. Immediately ahead of the entrance is a hallway that leads straight to the secondary bedroom and primary bathroom. Just prior to the end of the hallway, there is a double-door closet on the left that houses a white, energy-efficient, laundry machine and dryer. At the end of the hallway is the secondary bedroom. The secondary bedroom features a large glass window with a rolling shade on the back left wall. Immediately right of the secondary bedroom doorway is a spacious walk-in closet. To the right of the hallway is the primary bathroom. The bathroom includes a vanity, toilet, bathtub, and tiled shower. The vanity features 2 cupboards and 6 drawers below a stone countertop with a sink, mirror, and lighting. Across from the bathroom is a hallway that leads directly to the kitchen and living room. Just prior to the end of the hallway, there are 2 closets along the left and right walls. Directly ahead is the kitchen. The galley kitchen with an island includes a stainless steel fridge, sink, over-the-range microwave, dishwasher, stone countertop, as well as an oven and stovetop. There is ample storage space in the white upper and lower cabinetry. The kitchen flows into the living room in an open concept design. The living room features large glass windows with rolling shades on the back and left walls. On the back wall, there is a sliding door with rolling shades that leads onto a balcony. Rightwards of the living room is the den. The den features a large glass window with a rolling shade on the back left wall and a closet on the immediate right. Leftwards of the kitchen is the primary bedroom. The primary bedroom features a large glass window with a rolling shade on the back right wall. Directly ahead of the primary bedroom doorway is a spacious walk-in closet. On the immediate left is the ensuite bathroom. The bathroom includes a vanity, toilet, and tiled shower. The vanity features 4 cupboards and 3 drawers below a stone countertop with 2 sinks, 2 mirrors, and lighting.